Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, clearly you want to know how to layer the ordinary hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. So I've got two types of hyaluronic acids here. I've got the marine hyaluronics and I've got the hyaluronic acid. I've done a review on these products. I'll be sure to link them in the description below, so do check them out if you want to know more about them, which one is most suitable for you. So in today's video, I'm going to use the marine hyaluronics. Hyaluronic acid basically has everything to do with moisture. Niacinamide is an antioxidant, and antioxidants are amazing on the skin. It's of great benefit for people with acne prone skin. So I have all these details in the video where I review this product. To check them out, like I said. So the first thing you want to consider is their consistency. Before you apply your serums, you have to consider starting with the water-based ones with the thinnest consistency, followed by the thickest ones, and then the oil-based serum. These two serums are actually water-based. I'm going to begin by using the marine hyaluronics because, like I said, it's very watery. It's more liquidy than the niacinamide. So you see, can you see how runny that one is? While the niacinamide, it's not as runny. Can you see? It's not as runny as the marine hyaluronic. So after washing your face, you can proceed to applying it on a damp face. It's all about choice, or you can apply it on dry skin. It doesn't matter. I'm going to take a few drops of this and put on my palm. I'll make sure not to take a lot. You don't want to be a waste of product, so you don't want to take too much, and then you want to press it into the skin like I'm doing. Press, 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 and push it in, because if you rub, it might look a bit foamy. Not that it matters, but you just want to press. So after pressing it in, you want to wait a while for your skin to get all the goodness into it. With a few minutes, everything will get absorbed in, and the way you know it's absorbed is if you touch your face and your face doesn't feel sticky. My face currently feels sticky, so I'm going to exercise some patience, wait for the face to dry, then I'll proceed to apply the niacinamide. If I were to use the regular hyaluronic acid, the thicker one, I will go in with the hyaluronic acid first before I apply my niacinamide. You can choose to do it the other way around because I think both of them have similar consistency. This is the hyaluronic acid plus B5, so this is what the consistency looks like. I'll put the niacinamide. Let's see what the consistency looks like as well. I feel they both have the same consistency, so in this case, still do the same thing, going with hyaluronic acid plus B5, or you go in with your niacinamide. I would always go in with my hyaluronic acid first, because you know what, there's hyaluronic acid has a way of helping other serums get absorbed into the skin. Now I can tell that my face is ready to receive the niacinamide. It no longer feels tacky. And for the niacinamide, I will also take just a few drops. I wouldn't want to waste it, so I'll take a few drops, like 1-2 drops. Perfect. So the same thing you did with the marine hyaluronics, that's what you do with this one. Press it into your skin. Do not forget to use this on your neck areas as well. Our necks need that TLC. It needs so much love as well. Done with this, as usual, I would wait a little bit for it to absorb totally into the skin before I proceed to apply another product. With both of these products, the good thing is that you can use both of them morning and night if you choose to. So now I can tell that my face is perfectly ready for the next step. If you have other treatments you want to apply or you need to apply, and this is the time to apply them, but be sure to let your face totally absorb these other serums before you proceed. If you were to use real retinoids, this is the time to apply, but in this case I'm not using any of them. I'm going to go on to sealing the face, because you want to seal this goodness into the skin. You go in with your moisturizer. You can choose your moisturizer or you can choose an oil. In this case, I'll be going in with my moisturizer. Just take it and then pat it into my skin. This time I'll just give my face a bit of massage as I'm applying this. We want to get all that goodness in. I always like to give my face that massage, so this helps with lymphatic drainage, and then it helps with blood circulation. This is basically how you get the best out of these serums. Easy breezy. The main thing you have to bear in mind is that you have to give it time to absorb into the skin. Ensure your face is totally clean before proceeding to applying this. So the steps are, once again, you wash your face. That's, you cleanse your face. Use your toner if you choose to, or your exfoliants like the BHAs if you choose to. Then you proceed to using your serum. Start by using your hyaluronic acid first. Do not use so many drops so that it's not overwhelming, so that it doesn't take a lot of time to absorb, because the skin needs just a little. Whatever treatments you want to apply, go on to doing that. Then moisturize your face, and if this is in the daytime, follow up with your SPF, with your sunscreen. Do not forget to use your sunscreen. If it's nighttime, you can choose to end here by applying your moisturizer. You can also go on to apply your oil oils, if you've got any facial oil, this is how to get the most out of them. So I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up. You can share it with your friends. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.